So this is something very exciting because last year when all of us retailers had shut down our stores due to pandemic, one of the things that we did is sat at home and attended a lot of webinars. So how many of you attended webinars? Can you put up your hands? Right? I don't see many hands. How many of you attended webinars? Okay. So almost 50%, like we all of that did that, right? So we trained, myself and Santosh, we trained about 5,000 retailers across India through the RAI platform on how to go digital. One of the things that kept coming up during the training is that we don't understand online and all that. You put a customer in front of us and we will sell. So that was the message that came back from every retailer, right? Yes, obviously that's the strength of retail. At the same time, during pandemic when stores were shut, there was also another behavioral change, right? From 8 to 80s, kids to elders were getting used to Zoom and WhatsApp calls because they wanted to be in touch with their loved ones. So we thought how we'll take this behavioral change and adapt it to retail, and hence Big Box was born. Without much ado, I'll introduce CEO and founder of Big Box, India's first video shopping platform to you, and Santosh, you can take over.
Oh, thank you, Bala sir. I'm also super hungry, right? So just 8 minutes maximum bear with me. I'll get this done, right? Excuse me. Sorry, so let me quickly jump into the cut to the chase straight away, right? So we have been developing this product since last June during pandemic. We wanted to try and make lives of a lot of people easy. I wanted to make customers lazy. I wanted to make sellers more lazy, and that's the reason. So before we jump onto the solution, let's look at what are the problems. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Yeah, okay. So quick problems, nothing that you guys don't know. You guys are going through this almost on a daily basis. And conventional shopper spends hours browsing product information, right? And we don't trust any website apart from Amazon's and Flipkart's and Myntra. So that xyz.com, the sales are low, is also because of that. Customers don't trust random e-commerce website. 39% experience product mismatch. 46% do not like the online shopping experience. 69.57% abandoned cart, right? And everybody in this room, I'm pretty sure, including me, we all crave for a very personalized shopping experience. Like the moment you walk into an Armani or Louis Vuitton, and the mari or shopping experience kadaikumana ellarume crave dhaan pandranga, but adu irukra online platform la adanal deliver panna mudiyala. Let's look at the seller's problem right now. An average seller spends months developing website. Shopify, Magentova, WordPress. I think I would have spoken to at least 500 people last year only to guide them whether to go for Shopify or WooCommerce or Magento, pros and cons and etc. Right? Average seller struggles with digital marketing and poor conversions. Google AdWords bills, Facebook bills, I don't need to pinpoint, but I'm sure you guys are spending hundreds and thousands of that. Obviously, catalog management, inventory management, those problems. And Shopify says online business spends average $41,000 in the first year to set up his business, until which he doesn't break even. That's an average number, right? And obviously, competition from e-commerce giants and lockdowns and etc. Next slide, please. Sorry, I need to sort of be a little quick. So what if I tell you, now you can sell online without e-commerce, provide one-to-one shopping experience. Imagine you can sell in Bangalore from your Chennai store. Imagine you can sell in Delhi from your Chennai store, right? Sell anywhere in the world. How do you utilize your staff's idle time? And good news, you don't even have to learn digital coding, SEO, etc. Imagine bringing your store right into the customer's home with obviously low cost and no commission. And obviously you can also sell from dark stores, warehouses. Sounds super interesting, right? That's what Big Box is all about. Next slide, please. So Big Box is a video shopping platform that enables shoppers to discover, follow brands, and shop with them through video calls. How do we do that? Next slide. So we have three models. We have a marketplace app. We provide web stores for brands, web video stores, and we also offer e-commerce integrations and API. I'll quickly run through all of them. Next slide, please. Marketplace app, we are the only one in the world, not only in India, where it works somewhat like Swiggy. You put in the location. For example, I put KK Nagar. I get all the stores in KK Nagar, and I can video call any store there. And for whatever reason, I don't get the product of my choice there, price of my choice there. I hang up, sitting out of my home in Velachery. I change the location to Nungambakkam, and I shop in Nungambakkam. Or let's say for whatever reason, I want to buy an Armani suit. It's not there in Chennai. I change the location to Bangalore, sitting out of Chennai. I can video call them and still purchase live. So we have a technology layer on top of video call, which I obviously can't brief in a short time. That's our marketplace app. So we are accumulating sellers from almost 25 different categories: fashion, toy stores, jewelry, electronics, etc., etc. We are the only one in this category right now. Next slide, please. Second is we offer web video stores. For people say, apply app download panava, it's a tough game and etc. No problem. What we give is, we give a video store just for you with our domain name / your brand name. or you can even connect it to your domain. And people can trigger video calls to your executives or your sales agents directly from your Chrome and the Safaris. Our vision is, in due course of time, all the sellers will add a fourth logo in the bottom of their website, which will lead them to video call your agents directly, right? Next slide, please. And please, much louder, I'll feel motivated. Right, third, obviously for a large brand, you're putting enough efforts already into your website, you have millions of visitors and traffic, you want to do an API integration, yes, we can provide a button in your website, clicking on which the call opens up in your website, in your domain, using our iframe or our SDK, which automatically pulls in, inventories and et cetera, right? Next slide. Right, so obviously 5G is coming up, are we geared up? So hyperlocal video calls, integrated shopping cart, we take care of payments, we take care of delivery, finish your sale, pack the items, my delivery partner is going to come and pick up from you. Same way we cover over 29,000 pin codes during our partners and et cetera. Ella nalla pa, kannala kaattu. Let's take a look at a quick 45 seconds to 1 minute demo and then we'll wind up. So you basically select the area. Now he's in Nungampakam. There's a customer wanting to buy a jean from Basics.
Hey, hi. I'm looking for a blue color jeans in the size 36. Yeah, thanks. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I think this will do. The first one. Yeah, I like the first one. Okay. I'd like to build this, please. Thanks. Okay.
So there's a bag
Alright,
icon
I'm just looking
which you
for
can click. The seller can add the products when the customer is on the call. He's still on the call. Choose the delivery address, make the payment
I got
when
it.
the customer is
So
on the
I'm
call.
just making the payments. Just give me a
All sorts of payment, including cash on delivery, right? Do the payment, order get placed, come back to the store. Just in case you don't like, obviously, the designs or whatever from the store or you want to buy,
Okay,
hang
I
up.
finished the payment. Alright, thanks a lot.
Yeah. So you hang up and then you move to the next store and shop. Obviously, you can do window shopping also in this, right? So nothing hurts. Back to my last slide, please. Thank you. Okay. Sounds super cool. How much are you going to rip off me, right? So what's the price like? We wanted to make it a sort of a very basic kind of a internet bill mari, EB bill mari, we want to make it. So next slide, please. Say 5,000 வைக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொன்னப்ப, then obviously, Bala, Kumar sir, all my supporters here and etc. We thought, why not we do something more special for the CRS event? Next slide. So we are giving for special 25 brands who want to tie up with us today at 2,500 per store per month. All three, marketplace, web store, integrations, everything. We already are the video partners for some of the logos that you see there and a lot of other stores. So yeah, so that's the future. Hope you guys like it. Looking forward to work with you guys. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you, Santosh. We'd
Yeah,
like
so-
to unveil Big Box today. So Big Box has gone through 3 months of proto and demo with 75 retail stores. We are opening up for the retail industry today, and definitely video is going to be one channel that will be important for us. So I would urge all retailers to try out Big Box to bring their video strategy right. So I call upon Mr. Sohail Sattar,
Sohail sir,
Dr.
please.
Hitesh Bhatt,
CK sir,
Mr.
Kumar
C.K.
sir.
Kumaravel sir, Mr. Srinivasa Raja sir, and Mr. Kumar Rajagopalan on stage to unveil the Big Box app officially today.
All of them have been super supportive in terms of forming this app. So please, all please.
Dr. Hitesh Bhatt, so this is a product made in India, made for the world.
Yeah, so we have already gotten selected in Web Summit. We represented Big Box in Portugal last week. So I was in Portugal last week. We're also launching soon in London. It's also been selected for US Collision next year. So there's a lot of ton of prizes. So we can check out our website and you get to know more details on that. Yeah.
Congratulations, Santosh, for this new initiative. Where there is a will, there is a way is an old adage. Where there is a will, there is a video. That's the new adage. Congratulations and best wishes.